with Mitchell, Hydroform line, and he's going to explain to us this ingenious system that was coming.
Alright, so once we get the order here, we'll load the order into the basket. Once it's loaded into the basket, we'll shoot it on over. Put it over here. You don't have to bend over, you don't have to bend over in the basket or anything, it's all loaded up, tilted up towards you. Grab your base. Once you grab your base, it keeps you standing up so you don't have to bend over. It makes the process quicker for you. Obviously, once you press it in the base, check it and hydroform it. And once it's hydroformed, it just speeds up the process more.
How did this used to look?
So before, they used to just have the basket pulled up to the side over here, and the operator would have to grab one at a time, bend over, grab one at a time, and probably double, triple the amount of time that it took. Whereas this way, as soon as this basket's empty, you just slide another one. You just pull this one out, it would be empty, slide another one up, and you fill out, and you're just ready to go, and just continues the cycle. On the amount of help, you can have help. The majority of the time, the operator himself loads it. Obviously, it don't take no time but to fill one of these baskets. But if you have someone like today, I have somebody over here, and he runs around and he can fill it, and I just keep rolling, and I don't ever stop.
That's awesome. Thanks.